Hello, sir. My name is Raj Rabade and my ID is 22DC095. Here we are for a project on software engineering subject, and we have asked some few questions uh, about company. What is your company name and which domain you work on, sir?
So basically, my company name is Newscatcher INC. It is based out US Delaware, and I work as a senior software developer.
Thank you, sir. What is your role in your company?
So basically, as I work on the senior software developer, so my main role is to train the interns, also fine tune and train LLM models, and so it is basically on the machine learning and data side.
Mm. Why you choose this company for work, sir?
Because I just got updated with the news regarding which are the startups doing what kind of things, and if it is in my interest, then I apply, and that's how I came into this company.
Mm. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. My friend Manu will explain about, will ask about software. Manu, please start.
Good,
Please ask.
good evening, sir. My name is Manu Sabodia, 22DC106, and I will ask you the question of software. So, how software is used in your work, and which kind of software do you use?
So basically, some developer tools like id, just like pycharm or VS Code, and apart from it, code management tools like GitLab, GitHub, and some internal tools like Lens, Jenkins, and other tools we use, basically that helps to make just smoother process.
Sir, have you worked in a team, or if you have work, then how it is useful for you?
Basically, I work in small startup. We have only around 10 to 15 people hardly. So we mostly use in work in team only, independently, but we take help from the team regarding their expertise, because no one is known their everything, right? So someone will have some expertise in the machine learning, someone will have expertise in the deployment, so we take help from each other, and yeah.
Sir, have you implement ISO or CMM or standard positively or negatively affect your development process or outcome? Means have you that have a
Sorry.
trademark or anything, sir? Means ISO standard or positively or negatively affected your development process?
Um, as I told you that we work in the startup, we have only 10 to 15 members team, so we don't follow this ISO and this kind of standards. We
Okay, sir.
basically work
Now
by
my
our own. We define our process and work with that.
okay, thank you, sir. My friend now will Divya will ask you some question. Divya.
Okay, thank you, Manav. Hello, sir. My name is Divya Prajapati and my ID is 22DCE093. My question is about your project. Have you worked on any project till now and which project?
So basically, as I told you before, also it is small startup. So every day we get new
Hmm.
projects, and I have worked on lot of projects. So my recent projects was fine tuning the Mistral. So that is basically
Okay.
fine tuning LLM model based on the OpenAI's answer.
Hmm. And how much time required for complete a project?
It depends on the project. Some of the projects can be done in
Uh,
the 1 day, or some can last 1 year also.
uh, and how many departments are there in your company to deal the project?
No, there is only two departments. One is engineering and one is sales. So you can see that it is a startup. So we don't have enough
Hmm.
manpowers to build the teams and departments.
Okay. And how do you handle the problem in between project completion?
So problem by, what do you mean by problems?
मतलब एनी प्रोजेक्ट जो आप प्रोजेक्ट करते हो उसमें कोई प्रॉब्लम आता है तो कैसे हैंडल करते हो उसको?
So basically, if it is tech side, then we will just do team call and we will ask somebody's help or somebody's review kind of thing. And if it is based on the client, then
ओके.
our sales guy will deal with that.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Now my friend Vedant is asked some questions.
Hello sir, my name is Vedant Prajapati and my ID is 22DC094 and I will ask question about the documentation. How software engineering is useful in your project?
So by software engineering, do you mean that test driven developments and this kind of thing, or just the
Yes,
life
sir,
cycle of
software.
the software?
So, about the software and
Okay, so basically, whenever we get some projects or kind of thing, so we decide that if it is really complicated or if it is need test driven development, that means write a test cases first and then to pass that, just to write a piece of code. So we use software development process internally.
how do you maintain your product or project quality?
So basically, every commit that you make to the code repository will go through the unit test cases and code reviews, and also the some other external lint kind of things. So that's how we maintain code quality and kind of thing.
And how your team works on development activities such as coding, testing, and maintenance?
So basically, some people will write a code, some people will write test cases, and based on that, whoever is done the development, they won't test their code. So there is another people who will test the code, who will write the unit test cases, and that's how it will work.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Then my friend Deepam will ask question.
Hello, sir. My name is Deepam Rana. My ID is 22DC099. My question is about marketing. How your company deal with clients?
Okay, so basically, as I am from engineering team, so I won't know much about the sales side, but how we do handle the client, that is basically just asking them feedbacks and asking them reviews. If it is too much haptic, then we just drop the client. That's it.
How marketing is done in your company?
It is basically sales question.
Mhm.
So but I know it as a, it is startup, so we do the outbounds and email marketings and also inbound for the marketing thing.
What are actions taken by your company if reviews of client is not good? Sir.
Yeah, go on.
So my next question is how your product is better than other companies' product?
It is basically, yeah. If we compare some product by other product, there will be always pros and cons. So someone give,
Mm.
so basically we make a product based on the news, so we cover whole world news. So might some of the Chinese product will have better coverage in the China region news, and we have better coverage in the US region. So that is mainly a difference. And from the tech side, we do a lot of NLP and ML. So I don't think anyone in market is doing that.
And last question is, what are the areas of improvement do you think your company should work for future enhancements?
I don't think it is perfect.
Mm. Thank you, sir, for your time. Give time to our project.
Thank
Yeah,
you, sir,
thank
for giving your
bye.
best
Thank you,
time
sir.
to us.
Yes, sir.